Hey everybody, it's me, Megs, and as you guys know, I recently got my hair blown out and straightened at the 1 year natural mark. And I know a lot of you guys are like, okay, Megan, you got this first blowout. Is your hair going to revert back? So let's see. So it has been, woo girl, it has been about 2 weeks. My hair is very dirty. It has been sweated out during my workouts. And it is just a frizzy, dirty mess. So we need to wash it. So I collaborated with Aphogee to showcase how my hair will revert back after heat use. Aphogee products are a continued staple of mine from my relaxed hair care days and now to my natural hair care days. These products are great with building strength back to our hair, whether you are relaxed, natural, or have color treated hair. These products are also ideal if you wish to build your hair back up from any kind of damage or heat damage curls if you are natural like me. The Keratin Green Shampoo is an oldie but goody, relaxed holy grail of mine, and I found that this product works equally as well on my natural hair. And I'm also not new to the 2-step protein treatment. I used to use this in my relaxed hair days, maybe like a week or two after I would relax. And also I will be using this once a month just to give my hair some, nice strength and make my curls nice and strong. This is also clinically shown to help retain color vibrancy and longevity up to 30% if you are a color treated sister, and it is 20% more than color safe shampoo and conditioners alone. So this is something very safe for us to use on all hair types. So those products are a continued staple of mine, but today I'm going to use the new Curlific line to revert my hair back. So as you can see, you guys, my hair is wet, and at first I was a little bit nervous because I was like, my hair still looks like it's not curly. And I've been in the water for a cute little minute, but it wasn't that long. So the hair is reverted back, and I'm very, very happy. Nice and healthy. Micah B did a fabulous job with treating my hair at the salon. So I am very, very happy with how my hair turned out. Don't mind the faces. It's just that water was all in my face, so I'm going to make some funky faces, y'all. So my hair is thoroughly saturated with water. So I'm going to take the Aphogee Curlific Textured Hair Wash, and this is sulfate free, but it also makes my hair feel oh so good and strong. I love how gentle this shampoo is on my hair. So I'm just going to work this into sections of my hair, and as you can see, my hair loves it. I like that it's not overly, shampooey, because if that's even a word, because it's very gentle. There's no sulfates in here. So I just worked that into the section and rinsed it out, and my hair felt really, really soft, and it had a lot of slip, and it also had a very strong feeling as well, which is what I definitely needed since my hair was straightened. So I want to make sure my hair remains nice and strong. And as you can see, my kinks are right back to where they were. And I'm kind of examining everything, making sure everything is all good. And it is. And I'm a happy hair camper. So I'm going to take the Curlific Texture Treatment. And this is a conditioner treatment that I am going to apply to my hair in sections. And I actually left this on my hair for about 15 minutes in the shower. And I just love it. I let the steam kind of penetrate my hair with this product on, and I just absolutely love it. It gave my hair lots of slip, and of course at the same time my hair felt very moisturized and strong at the same time. So I was really happy with this product, being that you want to take extra tender love and care to your hair after it has been straightened if you're natural, because I needed my curls to pop back, and they are. So I just work this product in section by section, just taking my time, making sure I get from root to end. I probably should have turned the water off, but I didn't. So, yeah, just work it in like so. And my hair feels so soft, you guys. I love the Curlific line for real. And I'm just going to section this off, and I'm going to work on the other half of my hair. And as you can see, I let that sit and I rinsed it out, and my curls are happier than ever. So I guess straightening is okay every so often, because y'all look, my shrinkage is so back. My shrinkage is very real. And I'm very happy with the way my hair turned out as far as maintenance. That's why I really love Aphogee products to this day, being a natural as well. So my hair feels really strong. I'm really glad that I used these products after my blowout straightening experience. So now I'm going to use the Moisture Rich leave-in, and this stuff is really, really good. It really helps me detangle my hair. So I applied this all over my hair in sections, as you guys can see here, and I twisted my hair up. So in this section, I just make sure I really put some on the ends, because our ends are, you know, the most weak, and we want to keep those around as long as possible to retain length. So this product definitely helps strengthen your hair up for that. And I'm also going to apply some Jamaican black castor oil, because I am doing the lock method. So I put the leave-in, then I'm putting the Jamaican black castor oil on the section, like so, because I'm going to eventually twist this section up. So I just focus that all up and through the section, like so. And I'm going to take the curl definer, and this defines your curls. I absolutely love this as a moisturizer, actually. It made my hair feel really moisturized and juicy. So I absolutely love this, and it did make my curls pop. But I'm just going to go ahead and detangle through my hair like this. And I'm just going to twist this up and let my hair air dry. So I'm going to wear my hair in these larger twists to have kind of like a more relaxed twist out look. So I'm gonna put this I'm gonna leave this in overnight and let it air dry, and then the next morning it's gonna be nice and dry, and I'm just gonna style my hair by unraveling the twist, and my hair feels oh so good, and it looks oh so good, back to normal, back to the way it was. So yeah, I love it, love it, love it. So these products, I can tell, definitely are meant to build, strengthen, and repair. So I can definitely see myself continuing to use these products within my natural hair care routine. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me, and all additional information about these products is down in the description below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to Aphogee for collaborating with me on this video, and I'll see you guys later.